Hey, good afternoon. Map here, Map Investments. Bringing you another video here on Sunday Memorial Weekend. Waiting for the Heat game. Go Heat. See if we can make it to the NBA Finals. Want to do a video here on, like I promised, on some of these smaller micro cap, small cap stocks that eventually I think will be the next winners in the future. Um, We're currently flirting with the bear market. If you watch my last video, I gave you my take on this video here on the Sanapta video. Gave a little bit of my 2 cents on the overall market right now. IBD does have the market in a confirmed uptrend. They just switched from market correction to market and confirmed uptrend. So when we have this green light, you want to be looking for good setups. And like I've said, I focused on the smaller stuff. Um, and actually, I think the futures might open up tonight. I'd have to look um, in the next 12 minutes. Can't remember on the holiday schedule exactly if they are open or not. Um, Here's a little special for you, Memorial Day. It's a good product. They have a lot of good stuff, and I'm actually reading the book that they gave me a while back, just catching up and refreshing my mind on looking for on the next winners. So I did do a video on Sanapta. This video I want to do today is on, and these are small companies, but this stock on Friday had 219% volume change. Um, They got a 96 composite rating. They do pay a dividend. Uh, Industry Group rank 101. EPS rating 92. RSI 95 rating. Um, the name of the company is NL Industries. Um, they manufacture ball bearing slides, titanium dioxide, pigment, and security locking mechanisms for various applications. Let's take a look here. Their their market cap, so their average 10-day volume is 39,500 shares trading. They were basically almost double that, a little bit shy of double. It's a $436 million company with 46 million shares outstanding, 10% institutional ownership. Um, on May 4th, they reported earnings per share of 38 cents, uh, EPS up from 27 year over year, and sales were 34 million, up from 30 million. They also pay a dividend of 3%, and it's showing here the dividend date is actually coming up on June 3rd. And the fundamentals, pulling up the website, they have Chronos worldwide, and these are their applications for their products. They have applications for coatings and ink. So they have their coating applications for Chronos TiO2 goes into all these components: printing inks, plasters, silicate paints, silicone paints, emulsion paints, automotive paints, powder coatings, can coating, coil coatings, UV coatings, wood protection coatings, marine coatings, uh, architectural coatings, and industrial coatings. Um, Plastics, paper laminates, man-made fibers, health and food, beauty, ceramic, glass, and welding rods. So um, the the titanium dioxide pigments goes into this application, and then they have this is another. You can go to English here. And they have different applications for water treatment, uh, for waste treatment, food industry water treatment, And then I think this one was their locks. So they make these locks too for gas stations, security. With fuel being so high, I can see this in demand with people maybe trying to steal fuel. I can see this security being pretty valuable in these times. So maybe they have demand there. I was trying to get um, transcripts to the earnings call, but I wasn't able to find any. So I'd have to keep that hunting down that. Um, so looking here at the weekly chart, pretty much a base here in the 4 range, and then we had a nice little pop here up to, you know, all the way to 850. Then we, came down basically like a cup, and then the handle. And here you can see it's breaking out. It's kind of breaking out with some volume down here. Um, and you can see here another leg up here on the daily. So I like the industry they're in. They can, they're basically a chemicals company as well. Um, it says commercial services and supplies, but uh, by looking at their business model, they can definitely pass on the cost to to their customers. I think in this inflationary environment, if you pull up the and I have some. I bought some. I probably what I'll do maybe on Tuesday if I have time. God willing, I'll probably go through my portfolio and maybe cut the fat, the ones that aren't performing, um, and leave the ones that are. Sometimes people do the opposite. They'll take the ones that made money and like leave the ones that are losing money. Um, I'm a proponent of just leaving the ones that are working, let them run, and the ones that aren't working, they're not working for a reason. And why throw bad money after bad money? Here is the so basically what I'm saying is buy high and sell higher, or buy higher and sell higher. Let me see if I can pull up the long-term chart on this one. Here we go. So this is a 20-year chart on them. You can see a little break here. Draw a line right here. You got a little pop up here, RSI 65, and we're up over this high of 850 on this candle at 895. So the next big candle would be $10. I don't see why this won't see another dollar and test this $10 mark. Um, my current positions are here in the options chain, very thinly traded options chains, and I might add some stock here to get that dividend of 3%. Um, I have the August 750 call. I'm up a little bit there, and I also have the 750 call in August and November. So those are the ones that had open interest, and I added them. You can see here that the tens had some action on Friday, was the most active one of all the chains, besides the 47-day in the money. I'd rather give myself a little bit of time, and maybe if I can pick some of these up here, I might be interested in these, even though there's not a lot of action going on. Even though somebody bought here at 12.50 for 25 cents. Interesting. But there's only 2 trades on 10 open interest. This one's a little bit better. So that's my take on NL Industries. I think this one um, is ripe for some good gains. Um, the third one here, well, so this was a small bank. I'm going basically on the biggest gainers. So this is a top composite rating under $10. So I'm looking for the next big winners. Um, these are top rated stocks under $10. There's about 100 of them here. Talked about my last video. PHC is a small bank. They really don't have anything in there. NL, like I talked about Synopta. My last video of Southwestern Energy, I did a video on them over here on April 6th. I'm doing very well in SWN. That video was on April 6th, and the stock price was at let's put it up here. April 6th. 750 low, 805 high. So um, yeah, on that. So it climbed big and then it dropped. I added up on the. Let's take a look at SWN just so you get a feel of what I'm trying to accomplish here over the long haul. Um, these are all the options I have in here. I own this stock at about um, I own this stock under $6. Um, we're trading at 932, up 342. My only regret here was not buying more stock, um, but whatever. It is what it is. Um, positions. Oh, it's not showing. I'm sorry. So currently up on SWN. It's not. I'm gonna pull up NL. So NL, I'm up 22%. That's the one that we just talked about. Not a big investment. $1.25 and $1.55. So about 280, $280 invested here, and I'm making $62 so far, 22%. Um, SWN up 60% on the stock. I'm up uh, nicely, about 57% on the stock, I think, right? If my math is right. I have a 10 call calendar, which is up 34% as well. I think I have another position in here. I think maybe in one of my IRAs. Yes, I do. I bought the 7 call for 46 cents when we were down big. And wow, my $46 has turned into $234 for up. I'm up 400% on this trade so far. Um, I like the tape action, so I'll probably just let this ride to the end. I don't think there's high IV rank in this, only 22%. But I might, it's not even worth selling a call against my call. So that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video, enjoy it, share it. Please like, comment below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.